In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up OneConnect Smart Gateway on AWS EKS using Terraform. Don't worry, we'll go step by step so it's easy to follow. Go to our website onibex.com. Click on the button that says Manuals and Documentation. Click on OneConnect. Enter the section OneConnect Connectors. Select the connector SAP to Kafka connector. Open the OneConnect for AWS manual. Copy the download link of the zip folder with the prerequisites. Go to your console. Run a wget command and paste the download link. Download the file, list the directories, and as we can see, the file is now available in our folder. Run the command unzip x deployment. Confirm that all the files have been extracted. As step 1, go to the C path of OneConnect Kubernetes by running cd OneConnect Kubernetes. Inside this folder, you'll find the deployment file ready to use. Now configure your AWS credentials by typing AWS configure. Enter the access key ID. Enter the secret access key. Leave the default region where we want to deploy the cluster. Leave the output format as JSON. Now we are at step 2. Run the command Terraform init. As step 3, run Terraform plan. Enter the name of our .pem key pair. As step 4, run Terraform apply. Enter the name of our .pem key pair. It will ask if we want to perform the actions. Type yes and press enter. This process will take approximately 10 to 15 minutes. As step 5, access the AWS console. Go to this URL. Navigate to Services, EKS and Clusters. Select our cluster crowd. Click on the Access tab. Go to IAM Access Entries. Click on Create Access Entry. Select the user we created the cluster with. Leave it as standard type, then click on Next. Add the two policies, Amazon EKS Admin Policy. Click on Add Policy. And Amazon EKS Cluster Admin Policy. Click on Add Policy, then click on Next and Create. As step 6, go back to the console and copy the command that was generated in the results. Paste it and press Enter to update the context. As step 7, for EBS CSI driver configuration, run the following command. Obtain the ID of our AWS account by running this command. We need to keep these two pieces of data safe. Edit the file with this name. With this content using this command, copy the command, paste it, and press Enter. Go to the line Federated. Erase the ID. Go to Output section, copy the ID, and paste it on the Federated section. Go to this section. And also paste the ID in both lines. We also need to replace the region in case it's different. In this example, we are in Ohio, so that's the correct region we need. Press Ctrl+X, type Yes, and save with Enter. Now create the IAM role and run the command provided. This will perform an update. Next, do the step Attach Policy to the role, copy the command, and execute it. Now let's configure the service account in Kubernetes. Execute the following command. Annotate the service account with the IAM role. Replace account ID with your actual AWS account ID. With this, we have completed the first part of the configuration. Run the command cd OneConnect Kubernetes. Step 8. Configure the NV file. Open the OneConnect NV file. Run this command. This allows us to configure the environment variables we need. In this case, we will need the database password. So let's use a test one. Enter the username of our database and the port for the front end we want to use, the port for our API gateway that we want to use. Configure the Docker Hub token. We also need to configure the license for the Data Sync Hub and the Docker Hub token required to deploy our system. The remaining variables are optional and depend on the client's requirements and needs. Press Ctrl+X, then choose Yes, and finally press Enter to save the changes. Now let's move on to step 9, which corresponds to running the OneConnect deployment. Run the following command to prepare the files. With the OneConnect .env file ready, run the following commands to generate all the YAML files required for the deployment. Once they have been generated, execute the following command to deploy the services and configurations. Run the following command to start the setup. This step will automatically deploy all the required services and configurations to get the system up and running. At this point, the deployment should already be running, and you can verify it directly in your browser. Next, update the page's front name so you can access it properly. And finally, open your browser to confirm that the page is now up and running. Awesome work! You've made it through the deployment. If anything comes up, just shoot us a note at support@onibex.com.